guys, and welcome back to my channel. So we're here in my kitchen because I have an organization video for you, more specifically a kitchen organization video. I'm going to be taking you through some of my cabinets and we will be organizing them together. My home is small, so which means I have a smaller kitchen and very limited space when it comes to storage. I don't have a pantry, so trying to find creative way to store my stuff in my kitchen is a must for me. I used to say, oh well, I'm just gonna wait till I have a house with a pantry so I can organize a little better. But you know what, if 2020 has taught us anything at all, it is to work with what we have and just make the best out of any situation that we're in. So that's exactly what I'm going to be doing today. Even though I don't have a pantry, I'm still going to be trying to find ways to better store my food in my kitchen. Now, I'm not saying don't strive for better or work towards something better. It's always good to do that, but in the meantime, you just have to work with what you have and enjoy it while you have it. So that's exactly what I'm going to be doing today. So stick around to see how I organize my kitchen and all the stuff that I get up to tonight. It's actually almost midnight, but I figured this is the best time to film this because everyone is sleeping. So what you saw there were all the cabinets that we will be organizing in today's video, along with the containers that I will be using. But before we get into what's in the cabinets and how I plan on organizing, I'm going to go ahead and wash these containers so that by the time I'm ready, they are dried and good to go. I got most of this from Marshall's, but I also picked a few up from Home Goods. Like I said, it's almost midnight by the time I'm filming this. My goal is to really get this done in 2 hours, so you have to keep watching to see if I was actually able to achieve that. Breakfast cabinet, we have some hot cereals. What you see up top here is some loose teas and some tea bags that I need to organize a little better. And then the bottom shelf just has all my smoothie stuff, so that has to be organized. And then this one is also another one that needs a lot of work. I have some pasta in here, I have some mixing bowl, I have some colander and strainers, just all sorts of things in here, so that has to be organized. And the last one here is my Lazy Susan cabinet in the corner. On top are all my spices, which I'm going to organize a little better into different containers. And then the bottom, I'm pretty sure I don't even need half of the stuff down there. I'm going to go ahead and take everything out of those shelves and clean them and then get to organizing. Alright, so these are all the spices that I will be organizing, and I'm going to be using these containers that I got from Hobby Lobby. They were on sale for $1 each, so that's what I'm going to be using to organize all the spices. I have a few of these, so I do hope I have enough to cover everything that I need it for. These containers are 10 ounces big. They hold quite a few spices. I have a fully functional kitchen. I'm always cooking, so I needed containers that will be practical, and these were exactly what I was looking for. I also get a bulk of my spices from the Indian market, so I needed containers that were big enough to hold a lot of spices. That way I don't have a lot of excess spices lying around. Also, I made these labels myself. I almost purchased them from Etsy, but I decided to make them myself. If you are subscribed to this channel and you are in the process of organizing your pantry, or you need labels much similar to this one, I'm going to leave my email down below. Just shoot me an email and I will send you the template. All you have to do is edit them and use it for your own purposes. I'll also leave a link to the label paper that I used for this. I got this from Amazon. You just have to put it in any regular printer and print it out and it would work just fine. So yeah, just send me an email if you would like a template for these labels. Alright, so these are all my spices. I got 24 of these jars and I think I need maybe 3 or 4 more to complete my collection. But I'm so pleased with how these turned out. Again, if you need these labels, send me an email and I'll send you the template. The first 4 people to email me, I will actually print these out and mail them to you. So all you have to do is send me a list of 30 spices and 12 pantry goods, and I will print these out and mail them to you directly. But otherwise, send me an email and I will send you the template. So now I'm going to go ahead and arrange the spices back on the shelf. So that's what it's looking like so far. The baskets that you see are Lazy Susan organizing baskets. I'll leave a link down below. I got them from Amazon. They are so good to have if you have a Lazy Susan much similar like this. It makes it easier to organize your stuff. I have some produce in one, some of my excess spices in one, my sauces like soy sauce and barbecue sauce in one, and then in the other basket I just have some miscellaneous. The spices that you see in the corner there, I didn't put in containers only because I won't be repurchasing those. I got those from Home Goods. I just wanted to try them out, but I won't be repurchasing them. Also, we will be taking the microwave off our countertop and be putting that, our microwave will be going over our stove. I can't wait to get the counter space back. So guys, remember how I said I was gonna get this done in 2 hours? Well, that's not exactly what happened. If you are using these OXO containers to organize your stuff, no matter what you do, do not wash the lids because it ended up trapping so much water in them. I actually left them overnight thinking by the time I wake up they will be dried and ready to go, but that wasn't the case. I had to take them all apart and leave them the whole day so it can dry completely. And what I'm doing right now is just putting them back together again. I'm so glad I was able to take them apart, otherwise that's a lot of containers that would have gone to waste, because I'm pretty sure the water will turn moldy, which isn't a good idea when using for your food. So I am putting these together and then we'll get started. This is actually the next day at 11 p.m. when I got around to doing this again. That's when it ended up drying completely. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put my other pantry goods in the containers and label them. Give this video a thumbs up or leave a smiley face emoji in the comment section if you know exactly what this is. Alright, so these are all my goods. I'm gonna go ahead and arrange them back into the cabinet. I got 8 of these in total, which would have been perfect, but as I was washing them I noticed one was cracked, so I'm gonna have to return that and exchange it for another one. But yeah, that's all my goods. The only thing that I don't have here is rice, but otherwise this is pretty much all I have. I also bought 2 of these tall ones for my spaghetti and my linguine pasta.
As you can see, my cabinets aren't tall enough to hold these, so I'm not exactly sure where to put this, but I think I'm going to lay them down in front of the other ones. Let me know if you think I should leave them there or put them somewhere else. So that's what that looks like. I'm not sure if I should leave them here or not, but for now it's late at night, so I'm just gonna leave it and get to it on another day. So the next cabinet is my breakfast cabinet. As I said, the top shelf has some loose tea, which I will put into baskets, and then the middle are just some hot cereal. I'm also going to be putting those in containers, and then the bottom shelf are all my smoothie stuff. I'm just going to leave those alone and just simply label them. So that's the plans I have for this cabinet. I got this basket from TJ Maxx. It took me several tries to find the perfect fit. Had to measure it a few times and return a few other ones, but I'm glad I found one that fits perfectly. Now what I'm doing is just emptying out my stuff like sugar and hot cereal into some of these containers, and then I'll be putting those back there. If you know what this is, again, give this video a thumbs up or leave a smiley face emoji in the comment section. Alright guys, I am done with my organization today. I am so pleased with how these turned out. Makes my life so much easier when I'm in my kitchen now. I urge you all to do this if you have the space to do it, and even if you don't, just try to find ways around to organize your food a little better. But yeah, this is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. If you are new to this channel, thank you so much for watching, and as you watch this, I hope you subscribe so you can see my other videos. I will be filming more videos much similar to this one. So thank you so much again for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and like, and I will see you next Sunday for my next video. Thank you and bye.